How to raise support tickets on web. Stuck at something and need help with LocoNav app? Don't worry, our LocoNav Cares team will get you moving. To raise a support ticket, you must first have a wired GPS tracker or OBD device installed in your vehicle. Let's log into LocoNav Fleet, an asset management system, and get started. Click on Support module from the side navigation menu, and select View Tickets from the drop-down menu. A dashboard with all existing support tickets will appear, along with the current status of the ticket. Click on New Ticket. You can find it on the top right of your screen. Select the issue category and subcategory for your support ticket from the drop-down menu, and click Next. Next, select the vehicle in which your device is installed. On selecting the vehicle, you will get an option to troubleshoot, using which you can identify and rectify the problem you are facing. To troubleshoot, click on Run Troubleshoot. If your issue is not resolved even after troubleshooting, you can continue raising the ticket by clicking No, Raise a Ticket. Next, give a detailed description of the problem or issue you're facing with your device or app. Add relevant attachments of the issue you're facing. These can be device images, app screenshots, CSV, or PDF files. Sharing these details will help the LocoNav Cares team to provide you with a faster resolution. Click on Raise Ticket and your support ticket will be raised. This way, you can raise as many support tickets as you like, and our LocoNav Cares team will get back with a rapid resolution. To learn more about LocoNav's fleet and asset management system, write to us at support@loconav.com.